How email marketing can play a major role in your business. As social media is getting popular, choosing where to put your marketing expenses can be difficult. This is not a decision to be taken lightly. You must work hard and be familiar with a few marketing methods. Strive hard to get new buyers while keeping your old ones interested in returning. Finally, you can't afford to invest in everything for resources that aren't giving the expected results. Email marketing is a powerful and essential tool for skilled marketers. Hello, and welcome to another Trellos Cosmos video. In this video, we will talk about how email marketing can play a major role in your business. Before moving further, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming amazing videos. So let's get started. With the ever-changing digital environment, email marketing is essential and comes out on top. Furthermore, email is regarded as an effective marketing strategy by 89% of marketers, and 92% of internet users have an active email account. Moreover, many people prefer to get business information via email. As a result, below are several benefits of how email marketing can help your business. Generate calls, and strengthen a relationship. Email is the most common way of communication. Managers today rely largely on it to gain traction. When you send an email with a mobile number attached, you will receive a torrent of calls to your devices. As a result, it's a surefire approach to attracting calls. However, it must be done correctly to reach the correct audience with the right special promotion at the right moment. When the proper criteria are followed, it helps to establish a solid consumer base and strengthen relationships. As a result, having the correct communication tool for your organization is important. By hitting the perfect tone with your emails, you can stay at the top of the consumer's minds and encourage them to participate. It gives them the impression that they are included. Cost-effective. When compared to other traditional marketing methods such as print media, email marketing is comparatively inexpensive. These traditional methods necessitate the purchase of advertising space as well as printing costs. To gain exposure, there are shipping costs or fees paid for magazines, billboards, or television channels. However, email marketing requires simply your time and the necessary resources. If you must pay, consider simply software, and the fees for monitoring and evaluating emails are far lower. Instant effect. Do you own a small business? Then every customer meeting, sale, and the order can have a significant influence. With email, you get the preferred results promptly. You can even monitor the effectiveness of various email marketing initiatives. It's a given that you get an instant answer when you place an order. Consider special information to include in the email to stimulate sales. The results are visible within a few hours of the emails being sent. Shareable content. Create content that is simple and easy to share. Include all email and social media share buttons in your email messages so that readers can quickly share their communications with their loved ones. The stuff you're curating must be valuable and relevant for this. This enlightens customers and helps you expand your reach and attract new leads. To accomplish this, you must first identify the demographics of your target audience and include them in your email feeds. Increase revenue. Among the most efficient ways to generate impulse purchases is through email marketing. There is no other platform that gives product or service information in 2 clicks. Furthermore, there are no other digital marketing strategies that require you to sell your products straight from your website. Email marketing, on the other hand, can direct your audience straight to the buying funnel. Additionally, include a CTA button in your email to help your company achieve more conversions. Reach out to people using any device. An email has an obvious impact on mobile. Smartphones are currently used by many people for all of their activities. According to the most recent statistics, smartphones account for 49% of all email opens. This allows you to reach users no matter where they are or what device they are using. In the long run, this increases visibility and reach. Make sure the emails are simple to open and read on any device, with a concentration on photos and content on the page. Brand awareness. Your clients will be more introduced to the brand and business if you send an email with the most recent changes and trends. This leads to a better understanding of your products and services. There will be a more added value to the business with clever design, strategic planning, and targeted content. You will be remembered indefinitely if you practice this. Then, anytime your consumer requires the product or service that you provide, they will be more likely to approach you. Convert them into leads and repeat customers. The primary benefit of email marketing is that it increases brand awareness among your target demographic. It saves time. You can use automation technologies to create emails that will be delivered to customers based on the activities they do. Send promotional emails to subscribers, for example, and persuade them to purchase a product after registering. When properly applied, you improve sales and money. You may also offer discounts or incentives. Create a template that you may reuse for different email campaigns once you're finished. Create automated emails to attract 2x greater open rates and 3x higher click-through rates without wasting time. The benefits of email marketing for businesses are numerous and appear to be limitless. The benefits should above are just a few of them. In reality, there are numerous benefits to doing so. This effective digital marketing strategy gives firms a powerful way of attracting and engaging their target audience by reaching them at their convenience. Now that you can understand why email marketing is an excellent digital marketing approach, put it to use in your firm to increase conversion rates. So, what are you waiting for? Begin your email marketing efforts right away and reap the rewards in spades.